Hello, my name is Richard Shasteen and I'm the fire chief for the city of Tullahoma. Today we're going to talk a little bit about safety while you're cooking. Okay, so here at the fire station, when we have time, we try to cook meals a little more healthy than eating out sometimes, and it also is a good team builder. Same thing happens during the holidays. Everybody comes to your house, they want to eat a big meal around the table. Well, to get that big meal, somebody's got to cook it. Trust me, I'm not the one that cooks it. However, I do know some safety tips. First thing, what do you see wrong here? You see these handles turned out in the traffic pattern, okay? So what you want to do when you're cooking is try to turn those handles to where they're not sticking out, okay? So somebody didn't knock that off the stove. And another thing you want to do is, ooh, that pan is hot, so you need a mitt. I'll be right back. You put on the handy dandy fire department safety mitt that will help you to move a hot pan. You turn that around. Now, when is it okay to go watch TV while you're cooking? Never. You never leave a stove unattended. Okay, we have a gas stove here, which it's got instant heat, and the great thing about it is it's instant off as well. So once you cut that off, the heat is immediately gone. Okay, so you have to be real careful. You want to have your vent on to remove the smoke and the steam and stuff best you can while you're cooking, and always attend your cooking. Now, if this had been grease or something like that, you have to be really careful. If you're going to fry something, watch that pan. If that smoke starts turning white, that means that grease is getting too hot and you need to turn it down, okay? If all else fails and you have an emergency, wait a minute. Oh, I'm back. How about a pan and just lay it over there? Cut the heat off. And don't forget, call 911 because the fire department will be glad to come and check everything, make sure everything's okay, make sure nothing got up in your cabinets, up in the wall, okay? It could get in here and you couldn't even see it. We've got a thermal imaging camera that can actually see through the walls and see heat. So we may not have to tear it out. We can just look with that camera and make sure there's no fire spread. So anytime you have a cooking fire, any kind of emergency like that, take care of it, cut the fuel off, and call the fire department and we'll come check it. If you have any questions, call us, 455-0936. Merry Christmas.